Hey, she out with that. That nigga just on the phone, you texting like.
I was going to the gallery. Rick and DJ, his mama was called. Maya was on the guy, but DJ first met Maya. He took her out to the Galleria. So I remember DJ came to my house like, man, let's go to the Galleria. Here, you know, Maya's the cop. He came to my house. He was like, damn, Jerry, you better chill. he came to our house. He was like, let's go to the Galleria. I'm like, man, I ain't got no gas. I ain't got no gas for that, for real. So then,
man, y'all better not be bullshitting what y'all talking about last time, boy. God, I'm about to start tearing up like a little bitch, man.
But, listen, right?
So I'm trying.
I'm so hungry in the room. I'm going out this wall, boy.
Nick doing that shit.
Nigga ain't out here. I look at the switch when he did that. See, he ain't doing that.
I'm about to dig a hole in this wall, bro.
But fuck no. I know Ben I do it again, goddamn.
Man, right, chill out with this shit,
Shit.
bro.
Okay, these gonna stay out.
You about to eat push holes.
But yeah, he pulled the camera. Car ain't got no gas. I was watching the integral. I'm getting that bitch clean. I'm gonna be all up in the wheel, got the tire, clean it behind the caliper. He gave me, man, let's go to the gallery though, man. Cause he was like, man, I got mine in the car. He was like, chillin' mine. I'm like, yeah, man, nigga, bitch, you like this. She get out of the car. He was like, hey, Tom. I'm like, oh, what's up? So he left. I was like, I ain't got no gas, man. I ain't go later. I hit you on the farm side later. So he left. But my granddad said, you need some gas? I'm like, yeah. I said, man, did they meet me at that shop right down the street from the school, right? Gas that bitch up. Oh, God. We were leaving. We went down Parkway. We took 459. Oh, my God, bro. Bro. The truck pulled in front of his mama's car. All you saw the back end like,
You know, brakes.
huh? Man, we were swerving like, oh, God. When he went to E-Lane, we were coming back. It was this Prelude, it was this GSR, this GSR Coupe, and this SI. So this SI flew past me. This SI flew past me. This DJ, he slowed up. He was rolling right past me. So he down to and went back and flew back up. That's when DJ put on there. He was like, he let down my side. And he was like, man, that one, man, go get it. And that's when I'm like, all right, then I down to this nigga go. I'm like, damn. He got an E-Lane. Man, he was making so many people mad, bro. All you heard was throwing on rubbers and shit. Oh, God damn. I mean, this van was just hunking the hell out of his one. Just damn everything about that time when we cut out that damn truck, that SUV, and they threw that covers out.
Yeah, that was that day I was over there.
Oh my God, that made me so pissed. Boy, why that? Boy, I wasn't really gonna fucking piss. I saw somebody with their hand up over the cup. And I heard me when I turned the desk up. So, I wasn't paying that no attention. So I got the window like this far down from the top. So they threw it. So like the ice and stuff got inside the car, but the cover down that shit, there was a drink got like on the front windshield on the hood of the car. I was pit the hell out there, bro. That's somebody shot the window. I was you shot the
As we can see the light then flash on me.
Man, Ryan, chill the hell out, bro.
Shit. Bloop, 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 bloop,
It
bloop.
wasn't Nate, man. I was looking at the switch the whole time, the second time, and the third time, then I was looking at the switch too.
Yes, sir.